Hello, everybody. I am going to be doing a flip through of the Wonderful Winter Secret journal, and it is a journal that I started back before Christmas with some Christmas cards and different things that were more seasonal. So I've been anxious to get this finished up because I am so ready for spring. So this is called Wonderful Winter Secret. And this is a book that was the Bobbsey Twins book by Laura Lee Hope. It was gutted, and I have painted pages for all of the signatures are with painted pages. It's gotten quite chunky. I've got tags. This is a tuck spot that was made from a vintage style card. These are some of the painted pages. This is another tuck spot. This was made from a Christmas card. It's got one of my hand embossed tin embellishments on it. So some of these pages are book pages. This one's got a napkin decoupaged onto it. Lots of room in this to continue to work or write. This is a belly band with a card. A tag, not a card. This is the most recent video. This is the tag and the tuck spot. This is another one that was made from a Christmas card with Jingle Bells music in the background. This is a failed video that did not work. This is made with a piece of denim from a jeans and some lace, and it's got one of my little resin tags on it on the edge that dangles out. This is a little journal that I made from a matchbook journal that I made from some art pages that I had. And as you can see, there's lots of pages in here, lots of different colors. And it closes up like a matchbook cover, and it just goes in a tuck spot. This is a pocket that I never did anything with. These are just some tags that I did. I've got an envelope spread. This has actually two ways. So this was added in. So I've got tags. Tags can be simple, like these are literally dollar store, Dollar Tree Christmas tags. And this is, the wording is all from a Christmas tree, from a Christmas card. More of the same Christmas card. So that's the first signature. Then the second signature, we still have lots of blank pages. This is the deer card with the little tuck spot. This is a card with a vintage lady on it and a lace tuck spot here. This is a flip out. This was made with a Christmas card as well. And just more Christmas cards and another lace spot with a bandana background. So nothing is off limits when it comes to journaling. If you see something and you like it, it belongs in your journal. You just have to figure out a way to use it. So these are all in blank pages. Again, lots of room to make things. This is some of my art that I turned into Christmas cards. So I did include that in there. And more blank pages, back to the tuck spot, and another card. Now, I am going to put this journal in my Etsy shop. It will come with a bunch of tags that are not complete yet. So they could still be decorated. It'll come with some ephemera. I have some printed out ephemera. I have some vintage style postcards that will come with it. And all of these tuck spots. I'm also going to put, and I haven't decided which one, these are some of my dangles. And usually what I do, so I also resell old jewelry. And the old jewelry that I resell is, I collect the beads from, if they're broken. And I add those to dangles. This one is pretty appropriate, so I may put this on the back here so it would hang down. They're on bulb pins, so they are removable. Let me do that right now. So you just stick it in, slide it up, close the pin. I can't see what I'm doing. And now you have a dangle and a tassel. Again, I did not do a lot of decorating on the cover because I really like the cover the way they are. By the way, this is some other resin art I did with beads. So these are all, I've made all of these, and they can be clipped on and off. You could take this whole thing off and use it on your purse. You could use it on another journal, but I like to add them in. So that is the completed journal, and I will be listing it in my Etsy shop before I post this video. And you will get an envelope full of different ephemera. I've got a stack of postcards that'll go in it that could be used to decorate it further. These are not vintage, they are vintage style. And then I have some reprints of some ephemera that I have used, and I use frequently in journals. I have a group of pictures, vintage ladies like the ladies on the tags here. I use these in my Bridgerton journal, but I like them a lot in this journal too. And I specifically looked for ladies that had coats and hats and looked like wintertime. So that's the whole journal. This was also a Christmas card. And I have part of a I have part of a video where I made this, and I'm not sure it's enough to actually post. So that's where we are with this journal. So look for it in my Etsy shop if you're interested. I am going to start working on the boho journal now, and I'm excited to start on that. So there we go.